going to film, but I opened the package up and I'm like, So Trader Joe's Kung Pao chicken. I guess this will be like a review. Savory dish of tender dark meat chicken, mixed vegetables, and a spicy soy ginger sauce. I figured, why not? So when you open the packet, it has the sauce, peanuts, and it has the stir-fried veggies, your peppers and onions and such. So all I did was heated some hot and spicy garlic fusion oil in my skillet, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in the chicken. So let me show you what the directions say. You can also microwave it, but I want to go ahead and have that true stir-fried flavor. So just a quick lunch, and I figured let me bring the homies along with me. So the chicken is fully cooked already. So all we're doing is heating this back through. All right, so now that it's stopped popping, I feel a little more safe. Sweet. I don't need the burns. Okay, so my oil has cooled a little bit, so I'm gonna turn my fire up a little more. I want to make sure that this is fully cooked through. So that's chicken thighs. I'm going to add a little more garlic powder to this. I like it garlicky. All right, so yeah, now that we've turned the heat, oh, excuse me. Now that we've turned the heat up a little bit, it's taking on a little bit more color. All right, that looks good. Let it go for a couple minutes more. All right, so let's go in with our onions and peppers. And because I am using a small portion, I'm not going to use all of what they had in the bag. Yes, this is looking like real PF Chang's and what's the other place? PF Chang's and Payway. Y'all better give me my credit. Well, anyway, this is Trader Joe's. What have you out here looking like a whole professional chef? Yes, come through. Okay, so don't stop there. We're gonna add a little peanut because I am doing low carb. I'm just gonna sprinkle in just a few just to keep it authentic. But look at that. All right, all right. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Okay, so next up is the sauce packet. So I've had this sitting out on the counter for a bit. So I'm gonna use probably about that much of it. Okay, so that's the amount of the sauce that I added in. Just gonna mix that in, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. But yes, honey, Payway, PF Chang's, Panda Express at the house. Real quick Friday night meal. I'm working from home today, so this is very much a quick lunch that I did not have to leave to pick up. I didn't have to Uber Eats. I didn't have to do any of that, and I did say any of that. Let me add a little bit of water to this and put a lid on it, and then I'm gonna plate it up. All right, I added in a little water. Look at that, look at that. Looking how you look, glistening all over your body. Yes, 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 yes. Let me show you the packet again because I know you are gonna go out and get this. All right, so it is Trader, it's the Trader Ming's Kung Pao chicken. So of course that's Trader Joe's. And it is dark meat chicken, so that is chicken thighs with all of this goodness in it. So I'm gonna plate this up and then I'm gonna let y'all go so I can eat. All right, and what I do is I put all of the accompaniments in a smaller Ziploc and then the chicken in a bigger one, and just slide this right inside, Ziploc it on up, and put it back in the freezer. And I can either choose to make dinner for two or another lunch or dinner for myself. Do that with some string beans. I am actually going to plate it up with, I have about a half a cup of, let me grab it out the microwave. A half a cup of some boil in the bag. And that's actually doesn't even look like a half a cup. That's about a quarter cup of some jasmine rice. So no, that's not keto. So this will be a low carb jasmine rice. Would have been good to have brown rice, but I'm using what I had in the refrigerator, sweetie. So that, let me show you the size of the bowl. It's really, really small, but a little jasmine rice, and I'm going to plate up my Kung Pao chicken. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I am not playing. Very much a quick meal. This looks like I just picked this up from Payway, put on some clothes, did all of that. You will never guess that I'm in my t-shirt, some house shorts, and a hair wrap. So thus the reason this camera hasn't flipped back around to feature your girl. Anyway, go pick that up, go grab that, get a taste of this, get into that chicken and the peppers. Y'all, this is so good. Let me feed you. Yeah, this is good. It has just the right amount of spice. It does have a kick to it, but it's just the right amount of spice. Yes, God. All right, homies. So this got 2 thumbs up. Definitely a must pick up when you go to Trader Joe's. I did it another time and added some shrimp. Totally customizable. You can add some snow peas to this, and I think it'll be amazing. Went back another time, picked it up. I got their fried rice. I think it was their vegetable fried rice and some spring rolls, and everything came up to about 15 bucks. beats your takeout prices, right? Thank me later.
Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. And hit that bell on the way out to make sure that you are up to date on all of our latest videos. See you soon.